Good night, dear classmates and tutor. My name is Jason Fayan Patiño. I am a student of Administration and Engineering, and I will talk to you about what is the strategic 3C. The strategy 3Cs in the industrial model with over an strategic vision of the factors necessary for success, which are customer, company, and competitor, and based on this, the design organizational strategies should revolve. In this way, the strategy based on the company corresponds to the internal focus of the entity and must cover all the process developed by it from its supply management to the service product to the client in order to improve profitability and organizational efficiency by reducing costs. For example, identification of the key function. It consists of identifying the strategy that the company requires to successfully compete in a certain sector or business, and fundamental element for the such identification in the process map. Since in the focus solid of the key activities of the company. Customer-based strategies are focused on respond swiftly to the needs of its current and potential customers, since they are the entity reason the enter. For example, market segmentation, it allows identifying the entity's current and potential customer and focus strategies on maintaining the market, guaranteeing the purchase and guide. And finally, the strategies based on the competitors are established by observing the possible differentiation in some of the company's process in relation to the competition. For example, economics of a scale that allow us the other lower costs to the thoughts of the competition or added value that the client might perceive and then differentiates the products. In this way, the three strategic points of the company can be addressed, and possibility for its implementation are provided. So in this video, I hope you have been clear on the subjects and have a happy day. Thank you.